Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fill Format Mode. This powerful feature lets you effortlessly copy and paste formatting across various parts of your document. Imagine needing to apply a specific font, size, and color to several headings. Fill Format Mode makes this a breeze. It's designed to streamline your workflow, ensuring consistency and saving you valuable time with just a few clicks. To begin, select the cell or object that contains the desired formatting you want to replicate. This could be a specific font style, cell shading, or border. Once selected, locate the Format Painter icon, usually found on your Home tab. Double-click this icon to activate Fill Format Mode. You'll notice the icon remains highlighted, indicating the mode is active and ready for use. With Fill Format Mode active, you can now apply the copied formatting. For individual applications, simply click on each cell or object where you want the format to appear. If you need to format a larger area, click and drag your mouse across the desired range of cells or objects. The formatting will instantly be applied to everything within your selection, making bulk changes incredibly efficient. Once you have finished applying all your desired formatting, it's time to exit Fill Format Mode. The simplest way to do this is by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can click the Format Painter icon one more time to toggle it off. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining consistent visual styles across your documents with minimal effort, saving you countless minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.